And he's back. I don't know if anyone really cares, but I love my little Neo here. And I've been getting a lot of accessories for it. And one of the things I got was this sucker right here. Actually, I got a few little accessories. So I got this little light thing here, which has actually been really neat. It has helped out with some indoor flying. You actually get a little better control because you know it goes into attitude mode and it just goes attitude and then it just starts flying all over the place and you can never get control back again. It actually helps with that a little bit. So one of those things you may want to grab. You can barely feel it. Man, the doggy door is just swinging like crazy right now. But anyway, I have, or at least I got myself because you know, doing those TikToks and all that stuff and Reels is so important now. Yes, I know somebody's going to say, well, you do have the ability to kind of like square up or whatever, get a 16 or 9 by 16. Yeah, all it's really doing is taking that 16 by 9 and doing this, which means you're not getting a full picture. So I figured if I got something like this, which is the Insta360 Go, I'd be able to still get something because I can put it like this and it's got this really nice wide field. Everything's going to look nice for doing those social media videos. And I can still fly with this because of this accessory. Da-da-da! You'll find several of them on Amazon, and they all seem to be made by Sunny Life, who makes a lot of accessories. Anyway, I get this sucker, and I think it's going to work fine. It fits good. It doesn't weigh anything. It weighs a fraction of this. I mean, there is zero weight to this. So anyway, when I first go and I'm doing a video shoot, and I'm like, I'm so excited. So I put this in, and I fool around with it without the thing. So I'm like, oh, it works great. So I go in, and it flies and it goes, landing, boom. What the heck? Landing, boom. I'm not going to be able to demonstrate that now because here's what the issue was. I'm like, well, I could fly with, you know, the case on. I could fly with, you know, this on. Okay, it was too heavy. Now remember, when you have the little guards on, which weigh zero. I mean, there's like, you can smack a baby all day long with these other than, you know, the little sticky, little tines sticking out here. No, there's nothing. You ain't doing no damage. Yeah. So I'm like, it couldn't be that. But remember, you get reduced flight time by having these on there. How are you getting reduced flight time? So I'm like, maybe it's because of the change in airflow. I didn't want to take them off, but you know, I ended up taking them off and it was actually a little more difficult. I mean, it wasn't super difficult, but a little more difficult than I thought. They didn't just slide off. They're like in there. I had to take a little, I actually took a credit card and I like popped them off, pop, pop, pop. I just wanted to see what would happen. So let me throw a new battery in. So what you got to do is you got to strip it down, and I'm going to show you. This sucker will fly now. Some other things is I thought maybe it was a CG issue. You know, I'm a commercial. You don't know that. I'm a commercial pilot. So I'm thinking, oh, maybe it's a CG app. So I tried flying around at different angles and seeing what would happen. Maybe I put this on wrong because it didn't come with any instructions. But watch this. And I flew it, you know, before, and it would just fly for like 2 seconds. Landing. Boom. Landing. Boom. Dang. So anyway, let's see what happens. Now, I'm not going to lie, you got reduced flight time, or at least I think you do, because these Neo batteries, when they're just sitting in the case like this, they don't last very long. By case, I mean this sucker here. I got this off of Amazon. It's really nice. I had to clear a thumb war. By now, it would have gone, hold on, let me bring this back a little bit for you. A little bit to the side, so it's in the line of sight, a little bit down. I can sit here and hover all day long and it'll sit here. I let it hover like for the entire battery until it landed. I put these back on. I don't want to just waste my time doing this. This little thing that does nothing. Boom, nothing. It'll just land. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't know why it goes up. It's supposed to land in my hand. What happened to the AI? That's interesting. You know, now it won't land in my hand. Oh, now. Hold on. Okay, so now it landed. Hold on, let's give it a second. I'm gonna put these back on. Let's see if I can demonstrate this. Because I want it on for regular flights. Some of y'all may be from Missouri. I gotta show you. I gotta get them on right too, instead of just sticking them on, saying it's extra weight. I never took them off before because I had no intent. Because, you know, sometimes, you know, what I do, I go like, hey, look at this. This thing can't hurt a baby. I literally, like, show somebody, I'm like, I want you to fly this. Gave my phone. I know it flies with all the other DJI remotes, and I have all the DJI remotes. I have everything, all the DJI products except for the new Air 3S. I was like, you know what? This year was like the year of not buying crap. When iPhone 16 came out, I was like, no, I ain't buying that. Plus, I ain't got the money this year. Yeah, I ain't got the money this year. It's been a rough year. I only can get what can truly support my business. I think this is correct. This is like going, I think this is correct. So let's see what happens. I'm going to take the sucker off again and see if I don't get made into a fool. Now I want to make sure, I'm gonna like make sure my fingers are off, so you don't believe that I'm doing something wrong, okay? Because you could easily believe, oh, he touched it. Hold up. Whoa! Okay, that one was a little weird, but yeah, you see that? Just by adding them things back. That was the strangest thing in the world. Let's do it one more time. Maybe give it a little bit more room here. Hold up. I want to show you. We from Missouri here. Hands off. Woo! Them light little ass things. Let me get this here for my last unboxing. Let me see. I'm gonna pull up ploppy plop. Oops. See what happens if I remove just one. I don't know why I removed just one, but oops. I did not mean to do that. I almost just stabbed myself. Come on. Get in there. That's why I didn't want to take it off before. Okay. We're experimenting, y'all. We're experimenting, y'all. One is off. Yeah, I landed it. Did you see that? It only took taking one of them off to perfectifies this. So those of you, because you'll see a lot of, let me go ahead and turn this off. You'll see a lot of one-star ratings for this because they're going like, oh, it takes off and then goes landing and lands. Any of the companies, like I said, there are multiple companies on Amazon selling this. They're all the same one. I don't know if it's going to show up in here or not. And yeah, so mystery is now solved. Wow. And there was a shower thought damn near. I'm like, wonder what if. That was interesting. I don't even know what to say on that. Just little things like that can just create these huge changes. And that proves it. So huge changes just were shown to us. And again, let me see if I can find, there it is. So one is by B-Horse bracket. There it is. Oh, it's not even available anymore, probably because of all the bad reviews. I'm probably gonna take this video, upload it, show people how it works. Cool, cool, cool. Thanks, y'all. Wow. Solved another mystery.